You've previously said that sales velocity is the most critical metric to the health of a SaaS startup. Why is that?
The goal of sales velocity is if you reduce client acquisition cost and you shorten your sales cycle, you increase the market penetration and you create exponential growth. The formula is where you take your MQLs and opportunities, you multiply this by your deal size, and you multiply this by your win rate, and you divide this by sales cycle. So let me give you an example. Let's say your business has 50 opportunities and your average win rate is, let's say, 25%. And let's assume that you're selling the product that's worth $10,000 a year, and your sales cycle duration, let's assume it's a 60 days. Your sales velocity is $2,000, which means you're bringing roughly that much revenue each day. Those are the things you have control over. You focus on increasing your opportunity rate, increasing your win rate, and shrinking your sales cycle. And when you focus strictly on those three big variables, you can improve how much money you make per hour.